Welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to solve real life problems using ratio and proportion with the cross multiplication method. Let's start with the milk price example. If 2 kilogram of milk if 2 kilogram of milk cost 240 rupees, then how we can calculate the price of different quantities. I represent different quantities X in this box. Different quantities like 1.5 kg, 1.64 kg or 1.68 kg. We set up the proportion like this after the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication will give us this equation, and to solve this equation we will get the required answer for each and every cell. Now put the formula in this cell is equal to the given data, the given weight of for September 1 is this, multiplication sign star multiply by 240 multiply by 240. To fix this cell we will place the dollar sign before and after the F alphabet. Shift 4 number key. Shift 4 number key. Close the bracket to represent all this as one value. In order to represent all this in one value. Now this value will be divided by 2. Oblique sign for division, and here is the 2. To fix this cell, type dollar sign before and after the E alphabet. Press enter to get answer. Here is the required answer, and here is the required answers for each entry. We want rupees, and we don't want any digits after decimal. Then we will decrease the decimal from here, or we can also increase the decimal from here. So decrease it and we will get the fixed value. You can also change the data or rupees by type anything, any ratio you want. If I want to know about the according to 3 kg milk, then we will write here 3 kg. Every value will be changed, you noticed. If we want to get price for 4 kg, type 4 and enter. All values will be according to this price. If I want to change the rupees original 2 kg, and if I want to change the rate of price, for example I write here 100, it will change each and every value according to this data. So viewers, this method is called the cross multiplication method of ratio and proportion. It's very useful for solving price, distance, quantities, etc. like this problem in daily life. I have also prepared an Excel sheet with solved example for different dates and quantities of milk. You can use it for practice to understand ratio and proportion more clearly. That's all for today. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more practical math tutorials. Thank you.